Hey guys, Mike was Gettin Greasy Garage. So, working on front suspension components for the 59 Fairlane build. Getting everything, well, you gotta clean it. You have to prep it. Some of the stuff was rusty, even though it was new. So it had to be wire wheeled, cleaned and degreased. You know, a little bit of primer, some paint. And, you know, all these details take time. Anybody who says it's fast to build a nice car, they're out of their mind. You gotta mask off all your threads. Well, I like the stuff that I build to look good, so I take the time to do this. Most people just spray the suspension components black and call it good. That's not really my style. You know, these are the washers for the sway bar links. These are the clamps for the tie rod adjusters. These are the upper control arm pivot link ends. Those go on there. Of course, you got your upper and lower ball joints. Over here, we've already finished up the outer tie rods. Or maybe these are inner. I don't know. I get them mixed up, but they're tie rods nonetheless. But they're all painted. They're ready to go. A few more parts in the shop. But even new parts a lot of times come rusty from sitting in a package. I mean, it's not like everybody's rebuilding 59 Ford Fairlane front ends. I'm sure these parts are used in some other stuff, but you know, nonetheless, it's in order for paint to stick. It's all in the prep work. But I like to carry the color theme. You know, like that, the colors that were chosen for the engine will be carried into the rest of the car. The suspension, the brakes. I'll give you guys a sneak peek at the brakes. There's the rear calipers. Painted up, assembled, ready to go. Rotors are cleaned up and the hats are painted. Rear shackles are ready to go. Got some other hardware here. But, well, stuff takes time. Time and a little bit of patience, and the end results are always well worth it. And it's hard to explain to somebody when you're telling them what you're going to do to your car that you're going to be doing this stuff. You know, it's just part of the process. That's when they see the end results that it all adds up and it makes sense, and they have a better understanding of really what they're paying for. You know, I can't tell you whether it's 1 minute or 10 minutes when it takes to clean up these parts. It depends on how nasty they are. You know, everything comes greasy. Some of it has rust. Even with new parts, you know, you have to take this stuff apart, prep it, and then when I'm done, I'll have to put it back together and install it on the car. So, you know, it's just time. Building a car is not easy. It's not for the faint of heart. That's why there's guys like me that enjoy doing this stuff. You know, I'm fortunate that I have guys like this customer that want their car done nice and done right and done once, using quality parts. Take the time to finish everything, make it look good. You know, this car will be a driven hot rod. But if he wants to take it to a local car show, it's going to look sharp too. So, just a little peek at what's going on. And I get some more work done and a little more editing done. And I should have upcoming video of some work of the car itself. Well, I have a video I'm putting together of when I got the car here, and I did a walk around and talked about some things and what's going on and what's being done to it. So I'll get to that and get it edited. Editing takes time, and when you're doing things like cleaning up parts and painting and working in the shop all day, it gets hard sometimes to sit down behind a computer at night and not fall asleep. So, anyway, guys, that's about it for now. If you have any questions or comments, you know where to leave them down below. If you're not subscribed, please do. Ring that bell for notifications. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All that stuff's free. Doesn't cost you a thing and really helps out the channel. I want to welcome the new subscribers. And we'll see you in the next one. And get off your butt and out in the shop. Get something done. Hey guys, well, you thought the video was over, but I decided to bring you back and show you the finished results on all these front end suspension rebuild components. These are the bushings for the idler arm. Sway bar end links are done. Of course, ball joints are painted up. Inner and outer tie rods with sleeves. You know, it's just a little bit more effort, and you can make this stuff look nice. The paint that it comes with isn't worth a shit anyway, so either way I would have at the very least painted them black. But hey, I got red, I got aluminum. Those are the colors that are going on the car. Why not? And you know, when you're working underneath your car and you can take a look and everything's detailed and looks sharp, you know, you just take more pride in that. I take more pride in my craftsmanship. You know, it's no big deal to paint black, but it takes time to detail all this stuff and, you know, mask everything and get the colors right. And so anyway, I just want to show you guys the finished product, and I'm sure you'll see it again as I begin doing the press work of putting all this stuff in the A-arms and putting everything together. I got the control arm bushings here. I masked everything off. All that'll be red is just that little ring right there. But again, detail. Masking tape cheap and paint is paint, so. But anyway guys, that's enough for now. It's a long enough video. I think I beat this topic to death. We'll see you in the next one. Get off your butt and get out in the shop.